Okay, 5.
Yeah.
Hello, good morning everyone. It's my first stop in Turkey, first stop on my longest journey back home, and today there is something very special. You know, as a Chinese people, I can eat very spicy food, and one of a local friend told me Antakya food is very spicy, so they're going to give me a chili pepper challenge for today. Can I stand the challenge? We will see. There are different spices. Orange one, this dark one, this one, this one. And I have no idea what's the difference, but I'm willing to take the challenge. Which one shall we start with?
Evet. They will help you now. İçeride mi?
Not spicy. A little bit spicy.
Hot.
2 out of 10.
O zaman bayağı acı yiyor arkadaşlar.
2 out of 10.
10 üzerinden 2 veriyormuş sadece acısına.
Acısına mı?
Evet.
Çok acı mı istiyorsun?
Yo, en acısını istiyor.
En acısı.
The most hot.
O zaman bir dakika bekleteceğim.
Okay. It's a 1 minute wait. Special hot. Challenge to you.
Wow, he went to another place. Probably he's going to try. Probably he's trying to find the most spicy food in this bazaar.
Can I see your eyes?
Yeah.
It looks like crying.
No.
Özkan 10 üzerinden 2 verdi acı.
Yeah, I just told them next time if they come to China, I will give them a chili pepper challenge.
Yeah. Challenge to China.
Very hot.
He's not back yet. He must have walked really far to find the spiciest chili pepper in this bazaar. Oh, there he comes. He's coming back.
Acı al. Al sana acı. Sen acı istiyordun. Ben de ona öyle bir acı getirdim ki.
Is he sure that it's chili pepper?
Yes.
Hatırladın mı beni? Biz bir tane uzun boylu zayıf var.
Okay, it's the spiciest chili
Biraz
pepper.
daha acısı var da vallahi içim acıyor öyle şey yapamadım.
Just to make the most spiciest chili pepper in this bazaar.
Yes.
Welcome to Altın Baharat. Biraz beklememiz lazım.
I give it 3 out of 4 out of 10.
4.
4
Four verdi.
out of 10.
10 üzerinden.
Biraz daha iyi.
Okay, 5.
Bunun acısı sonradan gelir ama.
If you don't understand now, when you go to toilet, you will
Eğer gözünden
understand.
yaş gelmezse ben bu işi bırakamayız.
Hocam 10 üzerinden yükseldi mi sorsan?
5'te artık higher. Yükseldi mi? Higher.
2, 5, 6. Sen onun üzerine olan demek sana bu sıkı bayrağı
Vanyang. You can say Allahu Ekber, Allahu Ekber now.
La ilahe illallah.
Give me water,
Su verin.
Ayran veriyor ayran.
Su versin daha iyi yaz. Sen yürüyüp attın bir la ilahe.
La ilahe illallah.
İlallah.
Muhammed Resulullah.
Muhammed Resulullah.
Are you okay?
I'm crying.
Antakya'yı unutmazsın abi.
He said that you don't forget Hatay now.
I will never forget Hatay.
Asla unutamam diyor.
Ben tu.
8.
8 verdi.
Güzel.
çıktı.
Suyu içme son derece.
It's not very spicy for the first bite, but it comes slowly and non-stop. This spice never goes away, and I think now we're going to have the last food of the day. This is a mosque. You see that? And this is a place where they clean them. And we're going to try the last dessert of the place, that is künefe.
Nuri sen bir yardımcı olabilir misin?
I'm so glad
Nurettin.
to
Geç geç.
try
Şöyle
künefe
sündür
because it was too spicy.
Sok ağzına sok.
Abi acıya sıcak geldi ya. Aynen.
Acı sıcak. Yok bak.
Bence daha çok.
Kedi gibi yiyor.
Abi biberden acı Yelle.
I've been to many künefe places and everyone told me it's the best künefe in Antakya.
Aynen. From the tent. It is handmade künefe.
Eski usul
It
yani.
is grilled künefe. Grilled.
Real.
Yeah. When you compare, what do you think?
I like it more than baklava.
Baklavadan daha çok sevmiş.
And
When you compare another places make künefe, which is the best for you?
all of them are very good.
Künefecilerin hepsi çok iyi diyor. Ayırt edememiş.
And I like how they cook it. They turn the plate very slowly and it's very pleasant to watch.
Döne,
The künefe.
künefe.
Yeah.
Slowly they cook it.
Yeah.
2, 1, go.
Go.
Alkış.
That is my chili pepper experience in Turkey. Believe me, it's really spicy. And if you like spicy food, you have to come to Hatay region. And by the way, this video is actually part of my larger experience. I was invited by local people to try 50 different kinds of food in Hatay. And their YouTube channel is called hatay.com. I've also attached link below. And if you are interested, please check it out. Thanks for watching and see you next time.